What is up? It's your boy here bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today, I think we have our very first ever festive episode. So today, we're doing All I Want for Christmas Tacoma edition. We also got something very important. Now, the other day I changed out these headlights, and as you guys know, they look absolutely snazzy. The grill, on the other hand, well, we're not going to talk about it because they can hear us. Let's not offend anybody, but I did have a little bit of an oopsie. So as you can see right there, there's a bulb. That's the SR5 and the SR's daytime running light. I did a lot of research. I spent multiple hours online. I get it, it's not a difficult task to find out what bulb it was. Of course, there's some nice LED ones that you could find. Some people report hyperflash. I just don't want to deal with it. So I went to AutoZone. AutoZone actually hooked it up for once. I should probably stop rattling these around. Now at first, you're looking at them, they look completely normal, but let's see if I can show you guys. Okay, you see that second cable up top? You see how it goes straight across? That one's good. This is a good one. You see how that one goes a little bit crazy. I'm guilty. I definitely messed it up somehow. I don't know how, but I did. Before it would turn on when I would go like this. Yesterday when I was driving, it actually wouldn't even turn on at all. So yeah, it was time for a new bulb. So shout out to AutoZone, $20, probably the best $20 I've spent in a while. Also, we're low on gas, so I'm gonna spend another 60 there. But nonetheless, let's talk about today's video, because today we're getting in the mood, we're getting festive, and honestly, this video is more for me than it is for you. I'm just gonna be completely honest. Okay, I'm hoping Sandy sees this and maybe she gets the hint. So in today's video, we're gonna be talking about what you could get for your Toyota Lover. Now, Rob Motive has made a video for this, Mumphy has made a video for this, and the Unrestricted has made a video for this, but there's some stuff that's in here that I want, so I gotta include it somewhere. So we're gonna break it down into 3 separate sections: under $50, under $150, and then over $200. Now, I don't know about you, but when I was a kid and I went to Chuck E. Cheese, I always wanted the higher thing. Now that is a fact in itself, but also a hint towards Sandy. I want the more expensive things, come on. So let's start off with the cheaper things, because I think the cheaper things are a little bit more attainable, but I already have some of these. So, oh, lock the key. All right, yeah, ha, smart key, whatever. Who cares, not me. Before we get started though, everything will be linked in the description. It does help out the channel, and maybe I don't have to beg Sandy for the mods, but maybe one day I can afford it if you, well, you know what I'm saying. LED lights. Now, it's super dark in here. You can't see nothing, and then Aang said, let there be light. LED interior lighting. It's a must. You gotta do it. I promise you, it'll change your life, or just the inside of your truck. But it's super good. It's super worth it on a day like this. When it's 5 o'clock and it's pitch black dark, just turn on the light. Let everyone see. Number two, I think is very good if you're buying something for your spouse, because me as a man, or so I think I am, I'm pretty messy. No, I know I'm messy. I don't know. You know what I'm saying. I got these dividers and they absolutely help me so much. They're super cheap and they make you feel a lot more cleaner. Before, I was kind of scared to open this, but now I at least know my mess is rather divided. You also get this tray with heart-shaped glasses. No, I'm kidding, those are not included. Those are Sandy's. You also get dividers inside of your armrest, which is super sick, super neat. I definitely recommend it. 10 out of 10. And last but not least is this little picture. I get questions about it all the time. Sandy bought it for me as a Valentine's gift. I mean, if I got this for Christmas, my birthday, whatever the case may be, it definitely will put a smile on your face. If you don't know, only the OGs will know. Well, I'm pretty sure everyone knows. My Quicksand Tacoma. So this is when it was stock. You can't really see too well. My camera is awful at focusing, but you get the gist. It's a nice picture. It's a keychain. I just decided to put it up here. I was never a fan of putting it here until I got something so meaningful, and I don't know, I love it. It's probably one of my favorite things. All right, on to the more expensive category. The number one thing that I think needs to be purchased, that if the person that you're looking to shop for doesn't have, they want it, they need it, they love it. A bed mat, not headlights, which I keep forgetting to put inside the house. Bed mat. This bed mat has kept those from moving at all. Like, since the day I removed them, I left them right there, that same position. They haven't moved at all. This thing does not move. It is a must. Now, if you drive somewhere, you can get them for $80. If not, $120. So we're still under that $150. Consider it. It's a must. I literally, every truck I ever buy, I will have to have a bed mat. I have to. Moving on to number 2. I just recorded my side, but my side is an absolute joke. It would make you puke. So let's go over to Sandy's side where it's not so bad. Now, okay, look. This has a bunch of mess inside of it and has a little bit of stainage, probably from my ice cream cups from Chick-fil-A, because yes, I still get a kids meal, substitute the toy for some ice cream. Best decision ever. This is awesome. You don't have to worry about getting stains in it because that would be kind of permanent. It would always be there, would leave it a little bit grayer than black. You know what I'm talking about. So with these all-weather floor mats, you can get them from my description if you'd like, or you can just buy any type. They sell them at Walmart for like $30, but these were just, but we're not gonna talk about how much they were. But these are very, very nice and a must for everybody, whether you live in Florida or you live in Mississippi. I actually don't know if their climates are any different, but if they aren't, just imagine 2 different climates. That's what I'm trying to get at. Everyone needs them. Sand, dirt, rain, snow. Number three is probably my favorite thing under $150, and that's getting LED headlights and LED fog lights for your Toyota Tacoma. Absolutely love having LED fogs, LED headlights. It's not really about looking cool. It's actually more about better visibility. So, oh geez Louise, way to go. How are you gonna show something when they're not on? So, with that being said, check it out. I mean, you can literally, you can see everything. So with that being said, I could go anywhere and make a video because I got some really good LED lighting. Well, this is actually sick. I never even thought about this. So we're doing the rest of the video out here. Just kidding, we're moving on to the more expensive part because this is where I start getting my mods. So, almost just fell. The number one thing that is over $200, 200 plus, 250 plus, whatever, is the pedal commander or sprint booster. Now, I've been really wanting to put a lot of miles on my truck. Like, I just want to take a couple days off and just drive as far as I can go. And from what I've heard, the pedal commander, sprint booster, they just boost your enjoyment of the truck. If you already love the Tacoma, it's only gonna bring it up a notch, babe. I mean, come on, I'm trying to tell you something here. The Tacoma's gas pedal feels like a dead pedal at all times for some reason, but that's one I'm very, very interested in. But if the missus or the mister don't have it and they have a Tacoma, consider it, purchase it, put it in the truck without them knowing, and just, okay, probably don't, because if you put it in like Sport 5 and they have to reverse out, it would be very bad. I take that back. Do not do that, please. But buy it for them. Tell them about it. Tell them Aang sent you, and make sure they like, comment, and subscribe. After my bed mat, you got to cover the bed mat, keep it looking nice and dandy. Bed cover. You need the bed cover, okay? You need the bed cover. It's a must. If people saw there was headlights in my truck, they probably wouldn't have lasted past like 3 days, because I know Sandy would have needed them to sell them somewhere. With this bed cover, nobody knows. You know, I could have mods, I could have water bottles, Panera. I mean, I could have anything in there and no one would know. Also, if you're ever on a road trip and you have stuff in the bed, bed cover saves the day. So consider it. Bed covers. This one is from Yuta Motor. They sent it out to me. They support me, so I would like for you to support them. It's going to be linked in the description. Check them out. It's a must. Last but not least, some Casio seat covers. Now, these are pretty pricey. I think it's like $600 or $800 for the full set, but man, oh man, would that transform the look of the truck. Now, pretty pricey, pretty up there, but if the truck is like 2-3 years old, maybe you guys have been through some stuff. I know Sandy likes to play condiment art on my seats, like ketchup, mustard, Chick-fil-A sauce, whatever she can find. She just likes to splatter it. And mistakes happen. So if you guys have had mistakes, I really hope your children aren't watching this, then this is perfect. Casio seat covers. Obviously there's other ones, but I don't know how I feel about getting $20 camo ones from Walmart because they only have like one seat and then the other set would be pink. So consider Casio. That's what I'm considering. I know there's other options, but they're a lot more heavy duty. Like you have to cut this open and have a professional do it. Casio slips right on and you're good to go. I hope you guys did enjoy. I hope you guys are getting in the Christmas spirit. I know I am. At 3,000 subscribers, we're gonna be doing a giveaway. So let's try to do it before Christmas because, well, then that way you guys get a cool Christmas gift from your boy Aang. I would really like that. So 3,000 subscribers, we'll do the giveaway. We'll announce it soon. But with that being said, it's been your boy, I'm Like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow, singing tomorrow. Peace. I am super, super cold. Oh, he has red underglow. Shout out to him, because he's cool. Maybe I should get underglow. I don't know.